In the past few years, there has been a lot of discussions on sustainability here in the U.S., and in those discussions, agriculture has been at the center, and the beef industry certainly hasn't been exempt. But the fact is that the beef industry has had a focus on sustainability for years, and is something that is deep rooted in cattle producers here in Georgia and all over the country.
Sustainability is a word that gets used a lot, especially in agriculture. And what does that mean, specifically for the beef industry? For us, it's being able to not only continue to improve and take care of the water and land resources that we've been entrusted with, but also in order to continue to raise high quality beef and continue to improve through genetics, through advanced technologies, the ability to grow more beef using fewer cattle and do that in a way that's not only productive but profitable for that farm family to be able to transfer that to the next generation.
In order to be more sustainable, in the past few decades, the beef industry has been working hard by improving genetics, technology, and increasing productivity. In fact, the U.S. produces 18% of the world's beef production, with only 6% of the world's cattle, and amazingly has been doing that all while reducing their carbon footprint.
Compared to other parts of the world, the U.S. cattle industry is sitting at about 10 to 50 times less carbon emissions than other parts of the world, and that's a huge story to tell. The biggest reason why that's the case is that we've adopted new technologies. We've focused on genetics. We've been able to produce more cattle and more beef with fewer resources from a natural perspective.
One way they're able to do that is due to the fact that cattle are naturally sustainable.
Due to a cow's physiological makeup, they're actually able to take advantage of plants that we're not able to consume. And they're able to do that in a way that creates high quality protein for human consumption. And so we actually call that upcycling. They're taking that product that can't be used from humans for food and converting that into a food product that we can use. They're able to make a consistent impact on our natural resources.
Sustainability in the beef industry is very important, especially given the fact that beef is an important part of global food security.
If we look at the total number of people that we're going to have to feed in 50 years, and without cattle playing a major part of that process, we may fall short in being able to provide and feed for the rest of the world. And so the practices that farmers and ranchers have, especially in the state of Georgia, are contributing to not only continuing to reduce that carbon footprint, but also in feeding the rest of the world.